Oh, that's right. We are so back. Ha ha! Hey, everybody, Economic Ninja here. I hope you're doing great. You know what's doing great? The price of Bitcoin and the price of Ethereum and the price of Solana. And guess what that's doing? That's bringing the price of XCN up. It's bringing the price of everything up. We are so back. If you are excited as I am right now, type your favorite crypto down below and let's dive into this news story. This is out of CNBC. It started with a panic price of gold. It popped the price of Bitcoin above 88,000, and now we're sitting really nicely, as CNBC says. Bitcoin heads towards $95,000, rising for a third day and turning positive for the year. Now, I brought everyone through the pump of December, January, and a little bit of February. Then I warned that there was a dump coming. And I said, in the next 90 days, you're going to make more money in 90 days than you have all year. And big-minded people that were intelligent went, I know exactly what the ninja is saying, because we make our money the day we buy something. Because why? We have set our cost basis. So if we're waiting with cash on the side, we pounced. And I got to be honest with you, this dip took a little bit of time, but now we are going to see some really incredible gains. So we're going to dive into the story out of CNBC. Remember, a rising tide lifts all boats, but it lifts smaller market caps faster and better. Oh, real quick, I did extend the sale on the DeFi Pro course. It will never be this price again. It will, no joke, end at 3 p.m. Pacific time. I'm not joking, because of somebody on X that said they were praying about it last night to see they missed it, if I could extend the sale. So we extended it. And the current monthly coaching call is tonight at 5 p.m. Pacific, where we are going to reveal our next pick. And I'm going to talk people through an investment strategy that I've been using for a long time, Dylan's been using, and I'm really excited about it. Okay, so that's down below. All right, out of CNBC, Bitcoin heading towards 95,000. Bitcoin rose for a third day in a broad relief rally after President Donald Trump softened his tone on China tariffs and ratcheted down his rhetoric against Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Just so you know, Trump's family's busy buying a bunch of cryptocurrency. That's actually what's happening in the background, but it's not the background. Hopefully you understand this is happening and you're going to do something about it. Luck doesn't just favor for the prepared. Opportunity is made when people take action. All right. It says the price, and how, just really quick, to all my XCN holders out there right now, type XCN if you're super stoked on the price action today on XCN. I am super excited. I can't sell mine until it hits, and I'm going to hold on to it for a long time, but I won't even start layering out a little bit until it hits 5 cents. So then I can go buy either my Lamborghini or a Bobcat excavator and start crushing things on the channel. Literally crushing things, yes. And I'm not joking. Like, people are like, wait a minute, what's the ninja talking about? All you hear is, that's the sound of crickets. All right, let's do this. The price of the flagship cryptocurrency was higher by more than 2% at $93,931. According to Coinmetrics earlier, it rose as high as $94,617, its highest since March 3rd. Bitcoin has now clawed back more than half of its losses since Inauguration Day and is hovering above the flat line for the year. Now, I've said this before, I'm going to say it again. I think the president knows that if he said things that weren't so bullish on crypto or delayed information, it would cause the price to go down, thus very rich people be able to buy more crypto. Yeah, that's actually what happened. And I'm one of them. Hopefully you were one of them. Were you a buyer or a seller during this dip? Type it down below. Hopefully most of you are typing buyer. It says here, this recent price surge primarily reflects the market sizing the opportunity to capitalize on a dip in an asset that consistently proves its value as a compelling option for portfolio diversification and hedge against macroeconomic uncertainty and U.S. dollar volatility. This comes from Joel Kruger, market strategist at LMAX. Says here on Tuesday, exchange-traded funds tracking the price of Bitcoin saw a spike in inflows as interest in the cryptocurrency's potential as a hedge strengthened amid continuous continued stock market turbulence. Now, it's funny because today the market's like, oh, we're up. Everything's good. We're talking about the stock market. That's how the stock market talks. Yeah, we're up. Everything's good. Nope. It's actually not good. Things are actually still bad. Bitcoin's rally this week has forced short sellers to buy back from the market to close their positions. You know, that exact same thing's happening with Onyx Coin right now. The shorts are getting their shorts handed to them. I love this. Bitcoin's rally this week, I already read that. Over the past 24 hours, Bitcoin has seen more than 300 million in short liquidations across exchanges, according to CoinGlass. You know, interesting little note. I've never shorted a stock or a cryptocurrency. I actually think shorting is from the devil. If I think something's going down, I'm not going to capitalize on that other than selling my position and waiting for it to go lower, like XRP. Hey, good news to everybody that held their XRP and wrote me a nasty email and said mean things to me. You're back to where I said it was going to start dropping from. So you're back. So good job. And for anyone, do me a favor, type 10 if you actually sold some XRP and bought XCN. You've over doubled your money. Stand by. Yep. It's awkward. Okay. Demand for spot Bitcoin has been contracting on a monthly basis, although that contraction has slowed in recent days, taking downward pressure off the price. That comes from Julio Marino. The next resistance is around 95,000, according to Matt Mena, crypto research strategist at 21 Shares. Given the price of this rally, that level could be a brief pause, he said. After that, $100,000 Bitcoin remains the key psychological level. And it's only a key psychological level for people that are weak-minded. I know, guaranteed one person just got offended. It's okay. Don't worry. Your mom's probably going to make you that bologna sandwich you've been asking for all morning. Right, Chaz? All right, true story. A lot of people in this chat room right now, the chat, the comment section, if you go down and look, are making a lot of money. They've made a ton of money over the last 4 or 5 months since I've been bringing out some crypto picks. I do have a weird method to my madness of how I research these projects. I look a lot more in depth at not only fundamentals and technical analysis, but I also combine checking out different what's it called? Social media platforms. And we found some real neat winners. Tonight's pick is going to be very interesting because I'm going to try, hopefully the top doesn't get blown off of it. And I've never spoken about it before. I've watched it for quite some time, and just recently something's happened with it. I'm like, well, looks like it's time to tell the world. So I'm going to be telling everyone that's in the DeFi Pro bundle, guys, make sure, and ladies, make sure you're at the trade call today. That's at 5 p.m. Pacific. If you want to be part of the trade group where you learn how to buy decentralized finance projects on decentralized exchanges before they go to centralized exchanges, you can see what me and Dylan are investing in. You could see all the new picks and all that kind of stuff. And once a month coaching calls, all included until January. The sale link's down below. It will never be that price again after 3 p.m. Pacific. I promise, because I want to jack the price up a lot because people are making money. Guys, type 100 if you are one of the people that are making money. I'm so excited because we're going to take all the money we're making, and when Bitcoin hits 150,000, we're going to go rock another industry. I'm not joking. I cannot wait. So we got to make everyone a lot of money so that we can go pounce on the next thing, and then we go take that one over. Then we got to go take another one over. And Ninja Nation's pretty much going to go around the world. When it comes to money, because you know what? The only way to get back our freedom that was stolen from us by the money changers is to take back the money. All right, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Links down below. That sale link is only good till 3 p.m. Pacific time. I think Dylan put a timer on it. All right, with that being said, Economic Ninja is out. We're going to watch XCN keep going up in price.